Okay, so this is a removal for a 2006 Cls500 Mercedes Benz cup holder, which if you're like me, I've looked on the internet, couldn't find one, so figured I'd make one real quick. So first step is to remove this front piece right here. It's all pressed in, there's no screws, so I took two pieces of plastic, wedged it in there, got a screwdriver in there, and just slowly popped it all along here. Be really careful because you don't want to ruin it. So as soon as that popped out, I was able to see a screw right there. I took that screw out and it wouldn't come out. There's two screws behind it, which if you open this up, I've already removed this, and to remove that, you got to press here, 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 and back here, pretty much all at the same time to pop this thing off, because it opens both ways. So once I got that off, I couldn't get this off. So knowing that this wasn't going to be reused again, I just basically broke it off, and you can see the 2 points right there and right there where I broke it off to get in there, because I just couldn't figure it out, because I knew this piece needed to come out, but I couldn't get it out. And I tried for hours. I finally gave up on it. I was just going to glue it in there, and finally I decided, I knew there was two screws right here and right here, so I got those out. I was able to lift up this part way, so I assumed there was two screws back here, so I drilled two holes. And once I did that and pulled those screws out, I was able to lift this whole piece out, and you can see there are two screws right there. So once you get this piece out, then you can turn it upside down, and you can see there's points here, 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 and you can pry this little plastic piece out, which I was trying to get out in the first place. So, and this is metal. It's like, I don't know, aluminum, or it's pretty fragile metal. But it is, once you get that all in there, you're good to go. It's in reverse. Also, I needed to take out these two screws, which were obvious in the back, and one more screw in the back there, right there, to lift this up, and that gives you a little bit more access. So just do that in reverse and you're good to go.